Good afternoon! 32 weeks and 3 days. Guys. It's 12:25 ng hapon. And look at my hair. Ito na naman tayo. Medyo kumakapal-kapal siya because pregnancy hormones. Tapos paglabas ni baby mo, wala na to lahat. Ang nipis pa din niya compared sa iba. Kasi ganyan talaga yung buhok ko. Manipis talaga yung buhok ko. But guys, makapal na to compared sa last few months. Makikita niyo yung mga bagong tubo. See, ang iikli ng iba. Mga bagong tubo yan. I will miss you, Char. Wala pa nga. Enjoy muna natin to. Kasi alam ko, paglabas ni baby, wala na. Mauubos na naman ang aking buhok. I'm vlogging. Today is Thursday. The last time I vlog was Sunday. So, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, hindi ako nag-vlog. Alam niyo ba ginawa ko? Alam niyo na. Alam niyo na yan. Kung nanonood kayo lagi ng vlog ko, kapag galing bakasyon talaga, ako ng bahay. Nagde-declutter ako. So, hindi ko siya nagawa agad kasi nandito pa si Miss. Pag alis ni Miss, dun. So, umalis si Miss ng Sunday. And yeah, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I was in my decluttering mode. Plus, I've been editing as well because I have a lot of videos na kailangan i-edit. And just going back to our routine na kami lang. Ayla's back in school. She started officially nung Wednesday, so kahapon. Today is her second day sa kindy, preschool. Siya na talaga ang kindy na guys, like uniform and all. And I'm doing the pick-ups. So Dan does the drop-offs every morning, which is a massive help kasi parang ang hirap-hirap na. Hindi parang, ang hirap-hirap na talaga na gawin lahat while the belly is really big. So, I do the pick-ups. Tapos, pagdating ni Sharon galing holiday, kasi naka-holiday din sila Sharon, balik nila, I think kailan ba yung balik nila? It's either first week of August or last week of August. Kalimutan ko. Basta pagbalik niya, siya naman yung magte-take over sa pickups. So, lalaki yung tiyan ko nun. So, at least hindi ko na iisipin yung drop-off at saka pick-up sa panahong yun. Sa ngayon, tayo muna ang magpi-pick up. It's very early. It's only 12:29. I'm getting ready to go. Arlo's ready. Kasi dami kong kailangan puntahan before natin i-pick up si Ayla. So, let's do that. And because hindi na ganun kabilis yung ating kilos, because we're pregnant, I wanna be always getting ready as early as I can para kahit na mabagal yung kilos ko, tapos pa din ako on time. And, hindi lang yun. So, I decluttered, saan ba yung dinideclutter ko? I decluttered the laundry this time. So, ang dami naming cupboard sa laundry. And it looks very clean from the outside because it's just like, cabinets and cupboards. But when you open it, it's a mess. So that's what I did for the past 3 days. That, and then my makeup, and then my skincare. I decluttered a lot of skincare. My goodness, guys. Ito yung proof. Nandito pa yung iba. Yung Japan trip namin, I think was the last trip na sobrang dami kong binili. And sobrang dami. Galing pa yung Japan. Expired na lahat. Hindi ko siya napansin. Nandun lang pala siya sa laundry. Nakalagay sa isang malaking box. Kasi ang dami-dami niya. And nakalimutan ko na siya. Nung nakita ko siya, sabi ko, oh my gosh, expired lahat. Yung mga yung mga galing Japan na mga mask. Oh my gosh, ang dami nun. Kung napanood niyo yung Japan haul ko nun, ang dami nun. Sayang siya, kaya lang, hindi na din talaga kasi ako nagmamask. Simula nung lumabas si Ayla, hindi na talaga ako nagmamask because the kids doesn't like me wearing mask. But sayang, sana napamigay ko yun kung nakita ko siya in advance. Andun lang siya sa karton, malaking karton. Doon lang siya. Siguro paglipat namin, doon ko siya nilagay. Hindi siguro. Paglipat namin, doon ko siya nilagay. I'm pretty sure expired na tong mga to. Kinip ko siya to use para kay Dan. Itong mga to. Itong mask, bigay ko kay Miss at saka kay Michelle kasi it still works. Merong isang tinry si Miss. It's nice and warm sa mata. I used to bring this all the time kapag nagta-travel kami. Again, ngayon, hindi ko na yan nagagawa kasi we have the kids. And then, itong mga to, ito Korea naman to. Lahat ng Japan, as in, I think I got rid of all the Japan stuff that I got kasi mas matagal ba yung Japan kaysa Korea? Yeah, parang nag-Japan ata kami, tapos nag-Korea. Diba? Yes. Japan 2018, mga early 2018, tapos nag-Japan kami late 2018. So, same year. Same year lang pala yun. Ito mga galing Korea to. And then I also decluttered and organized my makeup. So, hindi nyo kita, but it looks really nice and organized. Ayan na siya, hindi na siya ganun kadami. I got rid of all the stuff na hindi ko masyadong ginagamit. Marami pa din dyan hindi ko masyadong ginagamit but may potential na gamitin. May potential na gamitin. May ganun. Let's start getting ready. Kahi Soul. Ito yung hindi na available sa YesStyle or hindi pa. SPF 50 PA, 4 na pluses. Gustong gusto ko tong Kahi sunscreen na to. Ang ganito Ang ganda nito guys. If you can get your hands on these, try this kasi ang ganda-ganda niya. I'm surprised hindi ko yung naubos sa Pinas. Kasi feeling ko ang tagal na yung paubos hanggang ngayon. Nagagamit ko pa din. At sa pagdi-declutter ko, nakita ko yung sunscreen na gustong-gusto ko noon. Ito guys, alala nyo yung VT Cosmetics. Diba? Gustong-gusto ko to. Sunpacked. I remember this. Ganyan lang siya. Tapos may applicator. Tapos may salamin. Ang perfect nito. Tapos meron pa akong ito diba? Hindi ko yan alam. Nakalimutan ko na yan. But the power of decluttering. Makikita mo yung mga bagay na akala mo wala na. Dito pa pala. Guys, I have been using this. Si Bianca yung nagbigay nito, diba? My gosh, I'm so bad at Pasensya na talaga guys kung nakakalimutan ko yung mga nagbigay ng kung ano-ano. But I'm pretty sure si Bianca at saka yung mga kapatid niya yung nagbigay nito. Thank you because I have been using it. And I love it. This is the color tint. Rosa yung shade. Ito yung itsura niya. I'm pretty sure I'm very late kasi siguro ang tagal-tagal na nitong na-release. Gustong-gusto ko pa yung shade. As in, so nilalagay ka siya sa lips ko. Sa gitna lang kante. You have to shake it well. Tapos yung natitira, lalagay ko. Hindi niyo natitira. Naglalagay din ako ng konti sa cheeks. Ang bilis na niya lang din i-blend. Tapos gustong-gusto ko yung shade niya sa akin. Again, shade niya is Rosa. And gustong-gustong ko siya kasi ang dali lang. Yun na. Lips at saka na ako. Cheeks. Tapos na. Sunscreen, lips, cheeks. Yun lang naman talaga lagi. I have new nails. Isa din to sa ginawa ko. Sa past 3 days na hindi ako nag-vlog, I did my own nails. Ako na talaga ang nag-powder nails, nag-powder dip nails sa sarili ko. Hindi siya perfect because it was my first time doing it sa fingernails. I did try it sa toenails. I don't recommend trying it sa toenails kasi it was a mess and I didn't like it. So I stopped using it for a long time. So bumili ako ng glamour dip ata yun. Bumili ako nung matagal ko na yung binili. Kaya lang sabi nila, bakit ka bumili niyan? Pahirapan mo yung sarili mo. Punta ka ng salon, ganun siya. So, I stopped using it for a long time. Sabi ko, try ko nga ulit. And okay naman yung nails ko, di ba? Huwag nyo lang titigan. Huwag titigan. Yeah, I did it all by myself. And I went for really short nails. Ang dami ko pang ginawa sa 3 days. Hindi ko lang maalala ko ano pa yung mga pinagagawa ko. Lagyan ko lang pala konting parang lip oil yung aking lips. Kasi hindi ganun ka super moisturizing yung lip tint na to. Or siguro sa lips ko lang. Last one, perfume. Hindi ko to naubos sa Pinas, but malapit na siya maubos. Daisy Dream. So, baka ito na yung last. No, hindi. Malapit na talaga. Pwede na natin itapon yung bato. Alam mo yung sinasabi nila na buy a perfume or use the same perfume sa kung saan ka magta-travel and then every time you spray that perfume, it reminds you of the trip. I've been doing that or I've been trying to do that and nothing reminds me of the trip. Ako lang ba? Hindi ko naaalala yung trip. Like kapag ito spray ko sa sarili ko, hindi ko naaalala yung trip. Pero sabi nila, bumili ka ng bagong perfume tapos gamitin mo lang siya dun sa trip na yun. Ayoko naman bumili ng bagong perfume every single time na napupunta ako sa trip. Pero what I've started doing is just bringing one scent and yun yung ginagamit ko sa whole trip ko. And I don't remember anything. Hindi siya nag-work sa akin. Wala akong naaalala. I mean, naalala ko yung trip but not because of the perfume. Parang naalala ko lang siya lalo na kapag nag-edit ako. Yan, naalala ko yun. But hindi dahil sa perfume. Alright, Alo, let's go. Woo! Grab tapa more. It's gone. Oh, what are you looking for? Your gun? Where's your gun? Ikaw na talaga ang dadalhin mo na naman yung gun mo. Binilhan siya ni Dan ng gun sa reject shop ata. Yun kasi wala akong nadalang gun sa Pilipinas. Galing sa Pilipinas. Wala guys. Nakalimutan ko. Yung mga toys ni Arlo, nandun ba din sa box sa sala namin sa Pinas? Alright. Let me just check if I have everything. So, pupunta kami ng Kmart muna, and then Kohl's, and then uniform shop, and then pick up ate. Yeah, kunin ko lang yung natitirang uniform na kailangan ko i-pick up for Ayla. Hindi ko pa siya na puntahan. Ang init sa car ko. Naka-on yung heater ko, tapos paglabas, ang lamig. May dala-dala pala akong hopya. Ininit ko lang to sa microwave ng 30 seconds. Ito yung munggo na hopya. Masarap to. Dalhin ko to. Anong oras na ba? 1:05. Got plenty of time. Kmart saglit. Bili lang ako ng more navy blue pants ni Ayla for school. And then Kohl's. And then uniform shop. And then pick up ate. Dito na kami. Ganito yung meron si Ayla ngayon. You wanna surprise? But walang size 3. So ito na lang. Navy blue pa din. Leggings naman siya. Na mas makapal. What? What do you want? Dito na tayo sa Kohl's. Arlo's on the phone with his lollipop. And this is what we got so far. Still going. We got 2 bags and rice. Just wait. Open. Oh my gosh. Heavy. Alright, let's go. Naiihi ako. Asa na yung ano ko? Hopya ko, boy. Where's my hopya?
Bada!
Uy, asa na yung hopya ko? Nasaan ang hopya?
Hopya! Hopya!
Asa yung hopya ko, Arlo?
Yeah! Hey! Hopya! Hopya!
Hopya! Hopya! Where is mommy's hopya? Ay! I put it at the back. Wait.
Hopya! 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 Hey! Hopya! 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 Yeah! Mommy's mama. Hey! Bada! Bada!
Oh my goodness. Nilagay ko sa pram ni Arlo pala. Kain muna tayo. Plano ko, kakain-kainin ko to sa shop. Anong kakain-kainin sa shop? Ano? Hindi na siya mainit. Baby. Woo! Ang oras na. 1:58. Punta tayong uniform shop and then pick up si Ayla. So, we're early. Oh no! Kaya lang ihing-ihi na ako, guys! He drops Spider-Man. Where is he? Oh my gosh. Just wait, boy. Medyo mabagal to, boy. I found him. Oh my gosh. There! Gusto ko uminom ng tubig, kaya lang ihing-ihi na ako. Bahala na. Oh my gosh, thank you, Lord.
It's Aya.
Where's Ayla?
It's there. It's our. It's there. It's only Aya. Baya.
Put your shoes on. You walk, okay? Walk to the uniform shop. Banana, 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 banana. Tinaning, taninaning. Alright, come on.
Oh, wait. I do
You pooing? No, you're not. You pooing? Hey, just wait for mommy.
Mommy,
Dito kami sa Coco.
I sit down, Mom.
Okay, sit down. Siso. Number 29 kami.
I fall down, Mom.
Fall down. Just be careful.
Mommy,
Yes?
Mommy, I na 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 na. I sit down.
Sitting
Na na
down.
na na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Ay. Show me, Mom.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah. I like it.
You like it? What's your name?
Hello.
How old are you?
Hello.
Two?
Two.
Two.
Two, Mom.
Yes.
I did it.
You did it too.
I did it. Two.
Yes.
Two, Mom.
Two, yes.
Two, Mom.
Two.
Two.
Oh. What's four? Four, five. One. Two. What's that smell? Yucky.
Smell.
What's that smell?
Yeah. It's like chocolate. Chocolate.
Yucky chocolate.
Mommy.
Mango Yakult. Mango Yakult.
Orange.
Yakult.
Not
Mango, yeah.
further.
You don't like it?
Juice.
It's juice, yeah. Yummy? You don't like it?
Daddy.
Oh, it's so yummy. You don't like it?
I Spider-Man.
Mm. Maaga pa, so dito muna tayo.
I got you.
2:18. You got me? Do you want juice? Walking to pick up ate. Switched into a smaller pram or travel pram. Mas madali lang to kaysa dun sa malaki. What's happening to ate? Is ate okay? You alright, baby? Oh no, you wanna take it off?
Mommy, where's that, Mommy? No, dude.
Yeah, I can give you that. Sit down. I'll give you a drink in a minute.
I'm thirsty.
I know. I'll give it to you. Just wait. Okay. You had did you drink a lot of water today? Well done. All right, sit down. I'll buckle you in.
It's car.
Ka! Guys, bahay na kami. And we're leaving again because guess what I did? Alright, come on, Arlo.
No, Mommy.
Oh my gosh, and Arlo's not sitting on his seat. Come on, guys. Come on, Arlo. Brain is not braining today. My goodness. You know what? Naiwan ko yung pram ni Arlo sa road. Well, not sa road, but sa side street. Kung wala akong shopping sa likod, hanggang ngayon hindi ko alam na wala dun yung pram. So we have to drive back to her school and just hopefully the pram is still there. I'm pretty sure it's still there. Who's gonna steal a pram? Diba, ate? We believe in Australia. Yes, I am. Oh my god.
It's just at the corner here. We've just walked it back to the preschool.
Okay.
So Mrs. Edwards has it in preschool. So she
In
was going to
preschool.
contact you, but there's a pram with the pink bag.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Yes. No.
Thank you.
That's all right. Is
Thanks.
it Isla?
Yes. Yeah.
We found your name, and so we just walked it back.
Thank you so much.
No problem at all. It's
Thanks.
all there safe.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, you guys.
What?
They got our pram. And it's not just a pram, guys. My gosh, yung backpack ni Ayla nandun din pala. Alright, let's go to the preschool and get it. Aw, thank you. Aw, that's so nice of them.
Yeah.
Aw, alright. Bakit ako naiyak? We're home! room with a pram and Ayla's backpack. Kung hindi sinabi ng pamilya na nandun yung backpack ni Ayla, hindi ko din maaalala na nandun yung backpack ni Ayla. Pregnancy brain. Nagsanib puwersa ang aking makakalimutin na brain. And then pregnancy brain. And then kids. Pagdating ko dun guys, sabi ko, my gosh, wala yung pram. Kasi nakikita ko na siya while driving. Getting closer to where I park. Wala talaga yung pram. Sabi ko, wala yung pram. Tapos may family na naglalakad. Mabagal sila naglalakad. Tumitingin sila sa akin. Hindi ko lang sila pinansin kasi parang hindi ko lang alam. Baka normal lang na tinitingnan nila ako. And then yung nakapark na ako, lumapit sila. Tapos yun na yung nakuha sa camera na sabi nila, naiwan mo ba yung pram? Ate drank a lot of water. Good job, ate. Ayla, I love the book that you chose. Ate chose a butterfly book.
Oh, what's that?
That's a butterfly.
What's that?
A butterfly.
What's that?
It is a butterfly. So every Thursday, they go to a library and pick a book. And this is what Ayla
I see, Mom.
picked.
I
I love this, Ayla.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, Alo.
Good job. Good time.
You're welcome.
What's Barry?
Alright, let's see.
I see Barry.
And update sa uniform, wala. Hindi pa available yung in-order. Guys, so kulang talaga. Yeah, strawberries coming. We'll get the strawberries, guys, kasi may batang gutom yarns. Kulang yung mga pinamili ko. I found this. I wanted to try it. Watermelon with aloe. Yeah, okay, I'm looking for it now. Mixed veggies. Lettuce for daddy. It's here. Strawberry! Alright, mommy will wash it. Yeah, wash it. Do you want a big one? Yes, big one. Yummy.
Yummy.
Yummy. What do you say?
I did.
You're welcome. So, dalawang strawberries yan. Mahal na strawberries ngayon, but we don't have a choice. We have to buy fruits.
Oh, yeah, but
Yummy. Yummy strawberry. So good.
big. It's big one. Mm.
$6.19. Kain na tayo, guys. Habang wala pa si Daddy, kasi pagdating ni Daddy, diretso ako gawa ng sandwich niya. Ayoko kasing gawin nang wala pa siya para fresh talaga ba yung kanyang sandwich. My ulam is talong with egg. Yummers. Oh. Kain tayo, guys. Simplihan lang. Talong with egg lang. Yummers na yummers na. Oh my gosh. Gusto ko magmunggo. Parang ang sarap magmunggo with pork.
Mommy,
Hmm?
we say hello to the guys.
Okay, come here. She wants to say hello to you guys. Tapos na sila kumain. They had pasta.
Hello, the guys.
Did you love your dinner? Good job.
What's that?
Ooh! You just put Yakult in my meal. That's alright. You put Yakult in my talong, baby.
And you need to make it good.
Makes it good, yeah. You wanna try talong?
Baby wants young top.
Aww.
Baby wants young top.
Okay, I'll save it for later.
For baby. No, not.
Mm.
Baby's taking it.
Yeah, baby's drinking.
Thirsty.
She said, thank you, ate.
It's eating our food.
She is. That's right. That's what she's saying. She's saying, yum, yum, food, mommy.
Oh. I don't want some meat. I want rice.
Okay.
Baby wants. Baby. Baby. Baby wants.
Oh, baby.
TV. There's a little bit for babies with babies and babies.
This is not meat. This is talong.
I'm eating, Mommy. I'm eating.
You wanna eat again? Come here.
I hope you.
Arlo did really good. He finishes pasta real quick. Now he wants to eat again. Come here. Rice? Good job, Arlo. Yummy. Well done. Hindi kami laging sabay-sabay kumain kasi nga kapag nag-aas sila ng snack tapos pa-close to dinner na, yung binibigay ko is yung dinner para maubos talaga yung dinner. And it's been working kasi nauubos nila lagi yung dinner nila. Daddy's home! We will make his sandwich!
How many are you making? You maybe make 3.
I can't smell it.
Huh?
I can make
2. So you get 2 sandwiches? You want 3?
Yeah.
Sit on the couch.
Mommy, Daddy, want this one?
Are you saying that? Okay. Alright, okay, that's right. Alright guys, calm down.
2 sandwiches, but Dan wants 3, so I've got another one to make. Here you go, Daddy! How is it? Do you need more of anything?
No, it's good.
Hello! He ate twice already. Kakatapos lang namin mag-shower! Hindi ko na masara guys, pasikip na.
Hello.
Hello guys! Hello guys! I'm letting them play.
I took.
5 minutes and then we'll go to your room. Para may time na ma-dry konti yung buhok niya. Basang-basa pa yung buhok. Hoy! Oh my goodness. Say goodnight to the guys.
But my hair's not done yet.
I know. Say goodnight to the guys.
Good night, guys. Good night, guys.
See you tomorrow. Who's coming tomorrow?
Good night, guys.
Yay! Good